Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play on your Nintendo Switch Lite. First, let's get acquainted with this fantastic handheld console. The Switch Lite is designed purely for portable gaming, boasting a vibrant 5.5-inch touchscreen. It's noticeably lighter and more compact than its larger sibling, making it perfect for gaming on the go. Remember, it doesn't connect to a television, and its Joy-Con controllers are built right into the system, offering a seamless, integrated experience for all your adventures. Setting up your Nintendo Switch Lite is straightforward. Begin by pressing and holding the power button, located on the top left, for about 3 seconds until the Nintendo logo appears. You'll then be guided through selecting your preferred language and region. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for system updates and accessing the eShop. Finally, create or link your Nintendo account. This account is your gateway to downloading digital games, managing your purchases, and enjoying online multiplayer experiences. Now for the fun part, playing games. For physical titles, simply insert the game cartridge into the slot on the top right of your Switch Lite until it clicks into place. To explore digital options, navigate to the orange shopping bag icon on your home screen to enter the Nintendo eShop. Here, you can browse, purchase, and download a vast library of games. Once downloaded, your new games will appear as convenient icons on your home screen, ready to launch with a tap. Remember to check your system settings to manage storage, as the console typically offers 32 gigabytes of internal memory. To ensure a smooth gaming experience, here are some essential tips. Always keep your Switch Lite charged using the included USB-C cable and adapter. A full charge typically provides 3 to 7 hours of playtime, depending on the game. Protect your 5.5-inch screen with a screen protector and invest in a sturdy carrying case for travel. Regularly check for system updates in the settings menu to benefit from performance improvements and new features. Also, explore the accessibility options to customize your experience, such as button remapping or color inversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.